Welcome back to Camas Classics. We're here at the Saratoga Springs car show. We did bring the Firebird. Then we got Gizmo and Slothy in there. And we'll show you more of the show. So here we have a 68 Charger. I want to show you, this one still has the 8-track player in it. So if you missed our video last time, go watch that, and that's what an 8-track is, and you'll see some of them. Okay, what we have here, 1959 Chrysler Imperial. The Imperial is a car I want. I want to show you one thing on these. They do have a lot of chrome. So as you can see, they do have roll-up down windows, power windows. But one of the neat features of these is this shifter. It's push button, so you just push the button and that shifts your gears. Same thing on the other side is, you know, how you turn the fan and stuff on. One thing I do like about these, I do love this design they put on the trunk here. It is what became an option in the later ones. They ended in 63. That's the year I want, is a 63. But in 63, that was a $300 option to have that on the trunk. The car itself, about $6,000. You know, the other cars of that era, you're talking $2,500. So these were a very expensive car. Think Cadillac. These were Chrysler's version of the Cadillac. So here's something interesting.
And then we'll worry about the rest of the cars later, but the ones that are on the grass that entered their cars in that have put a lot of, like,
love the pinstriping, flames,
and money.
Just a neat little wagon.
These
this is a 1955 Pontiac Star Chief. I want to show you. I love these hood lamps. That is the Pontiac Chief, and it does light up. And then here in the back, we got a little town. Okay, so we have a Nova here.
I don't know who told me that. It was false. Never mind. Forget that. That was false.
Nice white engine. I thought we were going to be the first to have one, but apparently not. I do like the bucket seats in it. 4 bucket seats.
I almost prepared a song. He's just looking up the words on his.
Very nice, beautiful car. So we have another Chevelle here.
So I want to test them right now to see how their Shabbat dance goes. You don't have an excuse, give those to me.
That's what he did, but I've got to get him. So, but I want to do it before. I want to
see if they can all get it on at the same timing here. The one at the end down there should just kind of
nice big block engine, should run really well. So here we have a Mustang Fastback. Lovely car, 65. So here we have 62 Corvette, 327 convertible.
Always like in the circus, like how many times?
If we hurry, we can catch this truck. Another nice big block. Okay, so we're home from the show. As you can see, we're in the shop. The car is in the shop as well. Nothing major happened to it, but we do have this fancy big box that we'll be going in shortly. That is our new 5-speed transmission. We're not going to have car show videos here for a little bit because we've got so many projects we got to do. We can't, while we'd love to go to every show, we can't. We got to get some of this stuff done. The frame on the 55 Chevy, we got to get that in paint. The 442, we got to get that in paint. This, we got to get the 6-speed in, or 5-speed in. And yeah, so it's going to be a little bit. We're trying to get the Firebird done so we can participate in our local 4th of July parade. Hopefully we get that done. We should be able to, as long as there's no snowball projects that happen. I do know we may have to be replacing the rear main seal from the rope seal to the new and improved one-piece seals, so that we can possibly get it to stop leaking. It's a known Pontiac problem, so hopefully that's what it is. But yeah, thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.